Hi, I'm Rachel from Start Driving School, and in this video I'm here to show you the independent driving for Liverpool Airport and the city centre. At this point, the examiner will have asked you to find a safe, convenient and legal place to park. They'll then explain to you what they would like you to do, which is follow the signs first of all for Liverpool Airport, and that they will give you further instructions along the way. As soon as you move away, your first sign is on the right hand side, the big green board, and you'll see that the aeroplane is pointing to the left, so it's a left turn at the traffic lights. You'll drive now for about a mile down the dual carriageway. We're on approach to the next major junction. The directional sign is on the left hand side, though it is hidden by some of the trees. Again, the sign will tell you that the airport is actually straight ahead, though the arrow that you may see looks like it's pointing slightly to the right. This only means that the road bears to the right and not actually your direction of turning right. The road now splits into 4 lanes, 1 for turning left, 2 for going straight ahead, 1 for turning right. You need to keep in the left of the 2 straight ahead lanes. This will mean that as you go through the traffic lights that the right hand lane will merge back into ours. It's the easiest lane to be in, and it'll also stop you from crossing over lanes and driving into traffic that is already in the right hand lane. The examiner now will give you your second instruction and your directions to follow. They'll want you now to follow the signs for the city centre. The directional board is on your left as you come over the bridge. You'll notice that the actual sign for the city centre is now to the right at the major junction in front of you. You'll see that there's actually 2 lanes for turning right. You need again to get into the left of the 2 lanes. It's important now when you're turning right that you follow the road ahead quite deep into the junction before you steer to the right. The reason for this is you could get caught up in crossing lanes with the traffic in the right hand lane. As you turn, make sure that you keep well to the left, following the curb. Your next directional sign is coming up on your right hand side, and this will show you that you are now about to approach a roundabout, and your direction for the city centre is straight ahead, second exit. However, the lanes do split into 3 at the roundabout. Make sure that you keep to the centre lane, and when it's safe to enter the roundabout, you do so and keep yourself to the left side of the roundabout, ensuring that you don't cross lanes into the right hand part of the roundabout. At some point now, the examiner will tell you that the independent driving is now finished and that they will now give you directions as normal. They'll ask you to follow the road ahead and they'll give you further instructions when needed. At the traffic lights ahead of you, you'll be advised to use the centre lane to follow the road ahead. Your next direction will be to take the next road on your right. This is at the top of the hill, and the junction is right over the brow of that hill. So you need to make your way into the right-hand lane and be ready for where the slip road for the right turn begins. As you turn off on the slip road, there is 2 lanes for turning right. Again, keep to the left of the 2 lanes. The examiner will tell you there's now 2 sets of traffic lights. The first you'll turn right at, and the second he'll want you to turn left. Make sure you keep well to the left so you're able to make this left turn. At the next set of traffic lights, you'll be asked to turn right. You're now approaching the driving test centre on your left. The examiner will tell you that you'll be turning left back into the test centre where the black gates are, just after the junction in front of you.